Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this eyeshadow look, and I promise you guys it's one of the easiest looks to do. You can do this in like 5 minutes. I used affordable products and it still looks so nice. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this little family and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos, and give this video a big thumbs up. A big thumbs up please if you like it. Now let's get started. First, I'm going to grab my concealer from Rimmel Stay Matte and my Real Techniques detailer brush to clean the bottom of my eyebrows. You can totally skip this step, but I always like to do this most of the time to clean the bottom of my eyebrows, and sometimes I just do it so my brow bone can be a shade lighter. And plus, I also use this concealer as a primer. This helps to make your whole eyelid and brow bone look even. That way, the eyeshadows that you apply can also look even. And I'm also going to set this with my Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder and a fluffy brush. This one's from Profusion. You can use a translucent powder or an eyeshadow that's kind of the same shade as your skin tone. This is going to help a lot to blend out the eyeshadows a lot faster and easier. I do it in tapping motions, that way the concealer doesn't move, and then once it's already all over my eyelid and brow bone, I'm going to swipe away the excess powder. First thing I'm going to apply is this Rimmel Wonder Swipe. This is 2-in-1 liner to eyeshadow. You can use it as an eyeliner or an eyeshadow, and it blends out so nice. Very smooth. When you're blending it out, it kind of feels like it turns into a powder a little bit. So easy to blend out, and they do have different shades. I'll leave the link to the product in the description box below in case you guys want to buy these. I highly recommend them. This is if you want to create a look very fast and it looks so nice. I just like to apply this on my eyelid with the applicator and then slowly start blending it out with my finger above my crease. It does help if I stretch my eyelid by lifting my eyebrow up and closing my eye a little bit so I can blend it out a lot better. But if you do need help blending out the edges above your crease, you can use a flat brush. I'm using the Real Techniques detailer brush and just very lightly going over the edge, only on the areas that I know it needs a little bit more blending. But trust me, like I said, this is so easy to blend out. For the eyeliner, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Cosmetics liquid eyeliner in jet black. I'm just going to do a very thin and simple liner. I'm not going to wing it out. I want to keep this look nice and simple. The eyelashes that I'm going to apply are from Profusion. These are very nice and natural looking, very simple. Of course, you can skip the fake eyelashes and just curl your lashes and apply mascara and keep your natural lashes. It's going to look so nice. Or you can add your dramatic eyelashes. Now I'm going to apply mascara to my lower lashes. I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash mascara. And I'm going to leave the lower lash line without eyeshadow because, like I said, I want to keep this look nice and simple. But if you want to apply eyeshadow right there, you can apply an orange tone or a brown tone. And last but not least, I'm going to apply highlight. I'm using the Covergirl True Blend Super Stunner highlight with the Real Techniques detailer brush. I'm applying this on my brow bone and also on my inner corner just to add a little glow. I feel like this highlight makes a huge difference, and this is what completes the look. No need for expensive products or a lot of products to do a nice look when you want to go out, when you don't have time, but you want something nice. I feel like this is perfect for school or work. I hope this was easy for you, especially if you're a beginner, and I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this look and what other videos you want me to do. Please don't forget to share this video and give me a big thumbs up if you did like it. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!